good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whenever you're watching this video. This is going to be your Santa Clarita open houses real estate update. The total amount of listings on the market, 637. To break that down into a 7-day market snapshot, 14 properties are listed as coming soon. In the last 7 days, we have 81 listings that are brand new on the market for sale. If you're not seeing these listings, you might be going to the syndication systems. In some cases, you're not going to see everything that actually is for sale. You want to tie in with a vendor or agent that is offering the actual multiple listing service. That's what's at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Every listing, all the time, right when they get publicized, they get put on the market. Now, the thing you won't see are these coming soon listings, which are 14 that I just mentioned. Those listings have to be sent to you, because they are coming soon. Syndication sites, other vendor type sites, and even the local real estate agent websites, they're not allowed to publicize those listings until they actually flip active. And that could be 0 to 21 days later. If you're not seeing these things, it's important. Go to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com/coming soon. And there you'll be able to fill out a very brief form, just name and email. You can include this that you're interested in, and then I will put together those coming soon listings so you'll see those in your email inbox whenever they hit. Now, let's say you don't want that kind of frequency. Maybe at the moment the listing get publicized, because we do have, 81 new listings this week. So that's very typical this time of year. We are getting more and more listings added to the market. That's why we're up at 637. A couple weeks ago, we were in the mid fives, 550, 560. So these numbers are increasing. But if you don't want that kind of frequency, just let me know and I'll send them to you once a week, twice a week, every morning at 8 o'clock, or as soon as they come out. You just have to let me know exactly what you want. All right, so we have 90 price changes. This is something that's interesting. If you look at the historical prices, it's not that real estate prices are reducing. It's the fact that sellers are pricing their properties higher than the market expectation happens to be. So buyers aren't writing offers because the price is too high. When those prices start to come down, or when there's typically just one minuscule price change, when the sellers are pretty close with the original listing price, usually that starts to move the property. For your sellers out there, good to know. For your buyers out there, understand that if you are writing offers on properties for less than the actual listing price, don't fret. Just have your agent supply you with proper comparables so you can show, hey, this is why I'm offering it. Now, if you're offering it just to try to get a great deal, this might not be that market, because there is a very high buyer drive, a lot of competition. So there's more than just one buyer looking for one residence. And when that house is priced perfectly, that house doesn't last very long, and it does go quickly with multiple offers. So you buyers out there, a good note, make sure you are pre-approved. I would get a full underwriter approval on your mortgage, and make sure you have all the supportive documentation, and also make sure your lender is able to call your real estate agent to give them, call the actual seller's real estate agent to give them the down and dirty about you. Explain who you are. I'm the lender. I'm going to be on it. My client's fantastic. They wrote an offer on your house. Please talk to your seller. I'm available 24/7, 365. You have no idea how far that goes with a real estate seller when the buyer's lender, which I only work with these types of lenders that are that nimble, that can call at any time and actually will call that listing agent on a weekend, on holidays, after hours, just to make that connection so my buyers get the advantage. I'm Connor with Honor. We'll see you in the next one.